How to enable or disable sound in Waze. First, open the Waze app. Make sure your GPS or location is on. Now access your settings. Tap the three line at top left corner. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Now go to voice and sound. In settings, scroll down and tap voice and sound. This is where you control all sound options for navigation and alerts. To enable sound, make sure voice direction is toggled on. To disable sound, toggle voice direction off. You can also adjust the volume for navigation prompts or alert by tapping sound level or using the speaker icon during navigation. And enter your destination, tap go now, and check if the voice guidance and alerts are working according to your settings. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.